Hey beauties, what's up and welcome back to the channel and where we talk about managing finances, investments, how to grow your business, how to save, and money management techniques in general. My name is Adesholami. Should you be joining me for the very first time, I'm a YouTuber and a content creator based in Lagos, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 creative ways you can make extra cash. Now, if that sounds like something you are interested in, then sit back and definitely do keep on watching. Alright, so there are definitely 1,000,001 ways on how to make extra cash on the internet. But I'm going to be sharing with you 5 things that I think you need to get your hands on, because these things are often neglected and people be like, oh, I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. But low key, the people doing this are cashing out, okay? One of the ways you can make extra cash is to hire yourself out to do odd jobs. Now, when I talk about odd jobs, I do not mean odd jobs, okay? This depends on the angle you're seeing it. But I'm going to give you a very good example. Cleaning, okay? Now, I have this lady that used to clean my house once every month, and I pay her X thousand naira. I'm not going to disclose the amount, but I pay her X thousand naira for cleaning, and I stay in a 1-bedroom, just a single room and a bedroom. I do not have a kitchen. Okay. So I had a conversation with her a couple of days ago, or about 2 weeks ago, and I sat her down. We talked about how much she actually makes in a month and how many times she works. This lady, if I can remember properly, she works 3 times in a week and she makes over 100,000 naira in a month, roughly, because sometimes she has a specific place. She has specific places where she does monthly, where they pay her monthly, and she works there maybe twice in a week, and for like 8 days she get 50,000 naira. Okay, then I'm going to be open with how much I pay her. I pay her 5,000 naira for a day for cleaning my room and my bedroom. Now she works with me and then she works for other people. In a day, she does like at least 2 jobs, and she works 3 times in a day. According to her calculation, she makes 100,000 naira in a month. Remember that this lady only works 3 times in a week. She works Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays. Because I remember she doesn't work on weekends. Sometimes there are ways she does it, and she makes some money. But I'm saying in essence that if you don't want to do the whole coming to clean people's house, you can actually package this cleaning business, be a little bit more professional if you have the money. If you don't have money, you can't go big, okay? But if you have the money, you can package it and be like a professional cleaning services, and you'll be making extra income. You'll be making extra cash. All you need is to clean for someone and tell them to refer you. Because trust me, someone referred that lady to me. I didn't go to Google and say, oh, where can I get a cleaner? Of course, you can go to Google and search for where to get a cleaner, and you definitely get a cleaner and every other person that wants to do anything for you. But cleaning is one of the things that is one of the services that people request for really often. Okay, so if you are into that kind of thing, or if you're thinking of ways of how to make extra income, then I think you might as well consider that. It's also a suggestion, okay? The second way you can make extra cash is by selling unique items online. And when I talk about unique items, it means you only have one of that particular item, right? If you want to sell an iPhone 13 in 2050, it's going to be a unique item, right? Because you're probably going to be one out of the 10,000 people that still use iPhone 13 in 2015. But a very good example is thrift. Now, thrift is getting really big in Nigeria now. I don't know in the abroad, but in Nigeria, everybody does thrift now. And I have a close friend that does free thrift. And according to her, they are making a whole lot of money. Not crazily amount of money, but it's just a way to make an extra income. She talks about, she's a fan of making money daily. Like, okay, I want to make money daily. I don't have a job that I'm going to, okay, I'm waiting for X amount of salary at the end of the month. So I need a business that's going to generate income for me daily. So this thrift business gives her money daily. No matter how bad it is, she would get at least one person to buy a particular item from her. And since it's just a single piece, it's going for the highest bidder. It could be, say, a dress in size 8 or a size 10, a size 12. If I only have one size 8, then It goes to the fastest, not highest bidder, actually fastest bidder. Okay. Aside from thrift, you could also do homewares. There's this lady on Instagram. I don't know how to pronounce her name. Onyibeke or something. I recently I noticed that she not thrifted items, but she's selling home items, like, is it home items? What do they call it? Home accessories, basically, stuff you can use to decorate your home, and she only has one single piece of it. So it means if you see it, then you definitely want to grab it. That is not to say that you can't find those pieces elsewhere, but because they are really limited, and she's like the go-to person for you at that point when you need it. Do you understand what I'm saying? Great. Now, the third thing is by teaching what you know. Teach what you know. This comes in various ways, but for me, what I've done before is when I was doing my master's, I'm very good with math, I'm very good with calculation. What I'll normally do is to get students that wants to write JAM, WAEC, NECO, all of those exams, and request for a token and then teach them, if that makes sense. So I'm basically just passing my knowledge on to them, and they are paying me. It was really a token, and I was doing it as my own leisure time. I was not really stressing about it. Maths is something that comes naturally to me. So when I get an offer, even if it was just 5,000, I'll be like, okay, I'm just learning. It's math. Really, it's math. And it was really easy for me to teach. I was not only getting referrals from people, sometimes I do it online. There are a lot of websites online that you could search for. If you're a teacher, if you are very good in passing down knowledge of what you know, there's one I know online. I've forgotten, but I'm going to put the links on the screen, the names on the screen, and you could just go there, log in, sign in. They'll ask you for a few details and test your knowledge. Then you can start teaching people, and then you'll be making money. Okay, especially now that there's strike. Oh, if you're a student watching this and you can pass knowledge onto somebody, grab that opportunity. Some people are rich that they don't want um their their what am I about to say? The fourth way you can also make money is by selling your knowledge digitally. Now, you need to be some sort of content creator or someone on the internet space before you can sell your knowledge digitally. Or, excuse me, or better still, depends on the kind of person you are. A very good example of what you can sell digitally is presets. I am really struggling to create a preset right now. I really want to, but I don't want to force it because I don't use presets in my pictures. I have a certain way that I edit it, but I'm not able to save it as a preset. So I'm not forcing it. I'm just learning and seeing how I can create my own preset. So if, for example, I succeed, which I'm going to succeed in creating the preset, I could put it on my website. I have a website, by the way, and sell it for a token. People that in fact, I've had people ask me what preset do I use on my pictures, and I just tell them, no, I use Snapseed and Facetune to edit my pictures. So if, for example, I'm able to put that into a preset, I could put it on my website and sell it to make another money. Other things you can sell digitally are courses or just your ideas. There's this lady on Instagram, Sia in Style, or Shia in Style, pardon me that I butchered your name. Sia in Style. She sells this creators combo for 5,000 naira. I think she just shared with you their editing apps or the apps that she uses in creating content, basically. She sells for like 5,000 naira. And trust me, this lady posts at least once in a week that, hey, someone just bought my whatever it is that she sells. Okay, so if you have anything you want to put that you can put in a digital form, just put it and put it, look for a website that's, there are a lot of websites that would allow you post your stuff that you're selling online for free. They don't take commission and all. And even if they do take commission, it's going to be for a very little amount of money, maybe like 100 naira or 200 naira. I've never tried it, so I don't know, but I'm saying because I know it works. A friend of mine, Joy, also has a preset, and she has this website she posted it on. The website is the one hosting whatever she is selling, presets, and people buy from there, people shop from there, and she's getting the money. Okay, that is it for the fourth one. The fifth and the final one, this one is a little bit tricky, a little bit. I don't know if this works in Nigeria, but I know someone that it works for in abroad. This is to offer your time and patience for a token. This can be really tricky in Nigeria because Nigerians don't play. Nigerians don't play. And even before I go into the details, I watched a meme or a video on Instagram and they asked the girl, what do you do for a living? And she said, she's a professional girlfriend.
How much money is in your bank account?
Probably 800. Just buy what I want.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a professional girlfriend.
Damn!
People can rent me for a day to be their girlfriend.
That there is a finesse.
What does that mean? Okay, this lady just pretends to be people's girlfriend. For example, if your mom says, oh, you need to bring your girlfriend tomorrow to dinner, you need to bring your girlfriend to lunch, you hire these people to come keep your company and to pretend like your girlfriend. That is what she does. So this is kind of like similar to what I'm trying to say when you offer your time and patience for a token. Okay, when I talk about token, it's not small amount of money. You'll be surprised that you're going to be making a whole lot of money. I have a friend, or she used to be a friend of mine. Okay, she is still a friend of mine, but we don't talk again like that, like we used to, because life happened. Nothing really happened. Okay, I remember when she first traveled, she used to tell me, she told me that a major job then was to comfort people. Like some people just don't want to be alone. They just want to have somebody they can talk to, someone they can chat with, someone that they can cuddle. Those things are really weird. Okay, I don't know if it works in Nigeria, but those things are really, really weird. But the way she used to talk about it, it was quite interesting. I can't do it. Okay, I cannot, because I'm not gonna let it touch me. Especially in Nigeria, you know, abroad, if they do those kind of thing in abroad, I feel like there would be some sort of rules and regulations that guides them. Maybe they have like an association or something. But you could do that. And even in Nigeria, if there are people like that, I know the people hire people to be their girlfriends, like a contract girlfriend or something. So all of those things also work in Nigeria, but you need that connect for it to work in this Nigeria. But in the abroad, all of those things, they really, really work. So yeah, those are the 5 creative ways you can make extra cash, and I do not want you to sleep on this. If you ask me if I've done this, I definitely have given you my answers while explaining all of those ways. So thank you very much. If you watch up until this point, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. First, because it is free, and second, it helps grow this community and it helps other people discover this channel just like you did, especially if you're a new subscriber. Thank you very much. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and share. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye guys.
¿Cuánto tiempo tengo sin verte?